Welcome to Golden Years Lady, a channel where every day is a new beginning. Today, we will explore mindful moments, simple daily practices to calm your mind, to ease stress, and to bring more peace into your life. Imagine greeting each day with a peaceful heart and a clear, focused mind. Let's begin this journey together. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.
What is mindfulness? Mindfulness means being present, right here, right now, without judgment, without rushing, without worrying about the future or getting stuck in the past. It is noticing the small things, your breath, the breeze on your skin, the scent of your coffee. In today's busy world, we often forget to pause. Mindfulness helps us stop, take a breath, and fully experience this moment. It is not about changing your life overnight. It is about creating small spaces of peace.
Why is mindfulness important? Many of us live on autopilot. The day goes by, and we hardly notice it. Mindfulness helps us slow down. It helps reduce stress. It can lower blood pressure. It helps improve sleep. It builds patience and compassion. It strengthens your immune system. Science shows mindfulness can reshape the brain. It helps us focus. It helps us feel more empathy. It supports emotional well-being. Mindfulness is for everyone, for you, for me, for anyone who wants to live more fully.
Daily mindful practices. 1. Mindful breathing. Start your day with 3 deep breaths. Feel the air as it enters and leaves. Let each breath be a gift. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back. 2. Mindful drinking. When you drink your tea or coffee, pause. Notice the temperature. Notice the taste. Smell the aroma. Let each sip be a small act of joy. 3. Slow walking. Walk slowly for 5 minutes. Feel your feet touch the ground. Listen to the sound of your steps. Look at the sky. Feel the wind. 4. Deep listening. When someone speaks, just listen. Don't plan your reply. Notice their words. Notice their tone. 5. Gratitude journal. At the end of the day, write down 3 things you are grateful for. The sun, a smile, a good meal.
Tips to start mindfulness. Start small. Use little moments during the day. Set gentle reminders. A sticky note that says, breathe, or an alarm that says, be present. Be kind to yourself. Your mind will wander. That's okay. Gently return to the now. Enjoy the journey. Mindfulness is not a goal. It is a path. Walk it one step at a time.
Thank you for watching. Peace and joy come from within. Give yourself a few mindful moments each day and choose calm. If you found this helpful, like and share. Tell us in the comments, which mindful practice will you try today? May your day be full of peace.